Such a bad start of a vacation. Stuck at the airport due to some technical problem. Well, it's a good thing though. At least I'm not gonna die. Okay, breakfast time now. I have no clue. Can't wait. Problem will be solved. See you guys soon. Bye bye. Bye for now.